Hello everyone, welcome back to a brand new video on Luke's World of Movies and TV. Right, today is nothing movies, it's food. We are reviewing some food. Right now, I've just put in some waffles and 3 different chicken. Now, obviously, I'm not going to review the waffles are just waffles. I'm reviewing these 3 types of chicken. So, we've got the southern fried, the char grill, and the plain chicken. We're going to see which one of them is better. And then, yeah. So guys, let's get into the video.
Dreams time.
Alright, so this one here is the southern fried, which you can smell more. You can't really smell that one as much, but it looks nice. And obviously this is the plain, which is just normal. So yeah, we are going to do the southern fried first. So let's do this. So if I just pull my camera down a bit, so you can see me chopping it up. There you go. Okay. Oop. Just like that. Need to get. There you go. I messed up there. Right, to get this one. So there is, look. Do some herbs in that as well. Normal. Very, very nice. That's very nice. That's very nice. You can get the spice after that. But yeah, you can't really taste the chicken as much. I thought you could taste the chicken. Can't really taste the chicken. So, that one's nice. That one's not too bad. Go on to the char grill then. Now the char grill I've not tried before ever. I've tried the southern fried and the chicken. I'm just doing them, see which one I like prefer. But this one is char grill. I've not tried that one before. So there's all the chars on there as well. This one here is way better than the southern fried. Way better. I like the flavour on it. I love the chicken. It's absolutely fantastic. Can taste the chicken more in this one than that. Very, very nice. Let's go on then to the third one, which is the crispy chicken. Let's try this one. Get the same amount. There's a chicken in there. And the crisp on that chicken, look at that. Oh, there we go. Very hard to chew, that one was. Yeah, that one's very nice. Not too bad. Do not have to rank them all. I'm going to put pictures up. Char grills first, which should be in the corner, up here. Down below would be crispy chicken. And then southern fried would be third. That is my ranking of the 3 chicken slices. Tell you what, let's do a bit of a waffle. Make the video more interesting that way, wouldn't it? There's waffle, look. Very nice. But yeah, guys, that's the end of the video. I'll see you in the next video, which will be another review. There'll be 3 reviews coming your way this week. There's a scary movie cinema trip. Then there's Supergirl and what's the third movie I watched? Scary Movie, Supergirl. What was your thing I watched? Scary Movie, Supergirl, and... one sec. Masters of the Universe. There you go. Supergirl, Scary Movie, and Masters of the Universe. Right then, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel if you are new. I'm going to get to 600 by the end of the year, so help me do that. And I'll catch you next one. Take care. Bye-bye for now.